with 5 awards on the Facebook, we are now showing you a session wherein this is a year-end sale and fresh new arrival by Mystic Studio. So sale भी रहेगी, fresh new arrival भी रहेगा, and let's start off the video with 3 cheers to the YouTube community, and let's all proceed to a new year 2025 with peace, happiness, good health, prosperity. So since it's the last video of this year, the shipping is absolutely free, and also parcel opening video is very important, and we only have DHL for abroad and DTDC couriers for India. इस वीडियो में हम सेल से लेकर फ्रेश अराइवल ला रहे हैं, जिसमें कि आपके सूट्स, इंडो वेस्टर्न सब कवर्ड रहेंगे, and all the startup people can definitely get back to us. Exhibition people, if you want stock from us, please get back to us. Also हमारा minimum MOQ is only 12 pieces or else 15,000 worth of purchase. So ये दो हमारे क्राइटेरियाज रहते हैं अगर आपको बल्क लेना है हमारे से, नहीं तो सिंगल पीस बाइंग डेफिनेटली रहेगी. पार्सल ओपनिंग इज वीडियो इज मोस्ट क्रूशियल फॉर अस, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ the next pieces which we are showing are these beautiful capes, guys, and these are perfect for this weather. They are very rich, nice classics, good for your different parties, receptions, cocktails, over a sari, over a quad set, over a gown. And the price point for these are only and only 2595, and these are heavy pieces, so we've clubbed them into good, nice classic wear. And then we have some very nice shirts which are Kaddana shirts and are very popular shirts with us. Different sizes are available. They are very rich diaries. These are the, इसमें अगर आप देखोगे थोड़ी सी मोटी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, और the next one which you seeing, you're going to be witnessing and seeing are thinner ones. So these are 1495, and the ones which I'm showing you now are the thinner ones as comparison to them, and these are 1195 only. Then we have short kaftans, guys, and do not miss these beautiful nice kaftans. So these ones are on plain, so you can see different ones. This is a white, dirty white, and a black on black. They are very rich classic articles. The price of these are good, 1495 only. And then we have this printed one, which is again a nice classic piece, and do not miss these 3 pieces which are quite similar. Look at this, and that's your back. Look at the back, guys. These are very pretty, nice numbers. So these are the embroidered ones. And then I would like to, since we're showing you embroideries, we would also like to show you these capes that usually we have these shorter capes, and these are 2195 right now. The shorter ones, again you can wear a gown, sari, make it into a quad, and these are longer ones. So these are 2599. The longer ones are 2599 only. And now showing you some very nice kaftans. So these are all on sale. So one sale at rate I'm putting for these digitals, usually they are 1888. Right now for everybody, common for all, they are 1150. So 1150 piece, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. This is a little shorter. These again you can wear as dresses or whatever you want. Then we have beautiful 2-piece sets, guys. This is a very rich set, medium to XXL वालों को आएगा. It's a classic with black trousers, gown, long piece है और black trousers. And then we have this one a little embellished, and look at the cut going with organza sleeves, beautiful embroidery. So ये वाले का प्राइस था 1195 और इस वाले का सेल का प्राइस है 1495 with so much of work. Do not miss it. And another piece which I'm showing you is again a very rich, nice drapes. So ये जो मैं आपको drapes दिखा रही हूँ, ये भी सेल पे गए हुए हैं एंड लुक एट द बैक, इस तरह से बैक लुक आ रही है। स्मॉल मीडियम से लेकर डबल एक्सएल वाले इसको ले सकते हैं। आई टेल यू द रीजन वाई। इसके सबके पीछे देयर इज अ इलास्टिक। सो ये आपका इलास्टिक है और बहुत ही प्रिटी ड्रेप्स है। प्राइस इसका हम सेल पे कर रहे हैं 1,888 ओनली। और शोइंग यू सम स्टेटमेंट पीसेस, and these are with some bohemian bags, and please guys do not misquote us for the bohemian bags. They're just adding on to each outfit which we are showing. So these are all boutique outfits, and you can see how the designing has been done. It's just a par excellence nice piece with margins, a classic nice number, and the price point for this is only and only 2,888 with the bohemian bag. Another one, we did not think of putting a dupatta with it. It's just wow like this with a beautiful bohemian bag. You can detach this belt and use it otherwise as a clutch as well, or use as a belt. So this is all बारीक काम। ऑर्गेन्जा का इसका लोअर में इफेक्ट है मसलिन प्योर के ऊपर with lot of margin, and do not miss the sleeves of this beautiful piece at 2,888 only. So these are not available in the market. These are our own production, and they are beautiful classic wears. So if you want, we can definitely put the pattas with it. Another statement piece is this one. So these are all well matched with beautiful bags out here, and you can see this is the lower, this is exactly the sleeves. It's a classic cut work and embroidered piece. Again, we put it at 2,888 only. Another one, ये आपका quad आ रहा है, और ये quad इस तरह से signify हो रहा है. This is the harem pant sort of pants. All embroidered piece. These all have margins, and this one is a 2,650. It's a little shorter, as you can see, and it's a quad with a another one. Now this is a very rich series. Look at this. ये आपका हाई-लो पैटर्न में आ रहा है. Look at the amount of laces and cut work. So this is all cut work, guys, and this is all cut work done and made it into a patch. So these are, and this is a lace with embroidery. It's a very, very nice classic article. The price is 2,999 for this one. Another one is this. So ये भी आपका बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. Look at the sleeves. They are bell sleeves. This is the bag, and do not miss the bottom. The bottom has a little bow here just to make it peppy. And this is the dupatta. The dupatta also has this kind of a work. It's a very nice classic wear at 2,888 only. The fabric is good, nice blended cotton piece. And now this is a super soft organza piece. Look at the amount of embroidery on the piece with a lining. That's the look. And this is our lower. The lower has this work out here. So the lower is muslin. The price is 2,999 only. And do not miss the sleeves of this piece. So it's a very special piece. ये sleeves और bottom में same work किया करा है. And another one is just a kaftan, and this kaftan has this bag. It's a organza super soft kaftan, and look at this. This is all cut work. So it's not a lace, guys. Please note, it's not a lace. It's cut work. ये Delhi Exhibition World का बहुत ही अच्छा classic piece है at 3,200 only. Another one is again a Georgette kaftan with this bag. The price is 2,888, and the fabric is Georgette. And look at the front bag. And now some very classic suits. So this one is again a very nice brush paint piece. This is the dupatta for the same, and the price point of this one is only and only 1,999. another one is again a very nice cotton A-line diaries. This is the work out here and a good nice hand print dupatta. The price is 1195. और इसी का दूसरा कलर मैं दिखा रही हूँ. Please ask us the sizes. In certain pieces we have much more the sizes than we are showing you, and the price point is only and only 1195. So ये वाला इससे थोड़ा सा different है, but since I am showing you the दुपट्टा, तो ये दुपट्टा कॉमन है, ये इस तरह से है और ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी के साथ है और ये लेसेस के साथ है. 1195 on. Showing you some beautiful nice diaries, and these are special pieces. So this is all and all handwork and very classic pieces. So one is with this dupatta and the other one is with this dupatta. So it's very well finished, nice premium product. All sizes available. The price point of this is only 2,888 only, with so much of work. And another piece I would like to show you. All sizes available. The dupatta might vary. At the moment जो पहला पीस जाएगा वो इस दुपट्टे के साथ जाएगा. All handwork के साथ का दुपट्टा है ये. The price point is 2299 only. And then we have a beautiful cotton diaries, and I think Sharif is showing you a beautiful lower for that, which looks really nice. Small, medium, large को ही आएगा ये. Price is 2495 only. And another piece I would like to show you is with a very classic dupatta. So each piece is done very well with beautiful work, which is a boutique kind of special pieces, and the price point of this one out here is 2888 only. मीडियम से लेकर XXL तक ये बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. प्राइस इज 2650. लास्ट वाला भी जॉर्जेट टाइप में, जॉर्जेट वाला वो वाला पीस उठा लो. And this was 2888 and this is 2650. And another piece I would like to show you is again, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको पीस दिखाया था with पैचवर्क, ये वाला आपका दूसरा आ गया कलर इसमें. ये देखिए बहुत प्यारा सा पीस है. The price point of this one is 2888 only with this dupatta. Medium to 5XL guys. Do not miss this piece. The whole element is dupatta. अच्छा क्लासिक पीस है, पूरा हाथ का काम है. प्राइस इज 2999. लुक एट द अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क. 2999 और साइज इसका जा रहा है लास्ट 50 और उसमें भी मार्जिन मिलेगा. मीडियम टू XXL. अ ब्यूटिफुल क्लासिक पीस एप्लिक वर्क के साथ. प्राइस इज 2595. So these are all single pieces. Medium to 3XL again, a beautiful handwork piece with a dhoop chao dupatta like this. The price is 2650. Another piece is this beautiful black. So this one is a organza piece. I actually just the moment I touched it, I thought it is crepe, but this is a super soft organza. Look at the amount of work. So this is all cut work, जो कि आपको मार्केट में बहुत महंगा मिलता है. हमारे से ये अप टिल 42 साइज है अवेलेबल. बाकी आप चेक कर सकते हैं हमारे से. 42 44 तो है ही. मीडियम टू 44 42. द प्राइस पॉइंट इज 2650. वेरी रिच नंबर. मीडियम टू XL, a shimmer piece. Look at this with this kind of a dupatta. Price is only 1399 only on sale. Then we have this special piece. I think this is hot on demand. Look at the cut work coming in flower shape. This is the work. Shimmer का piece है. Beautiful सा दुपट्टा है और brocade की pants है. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये. Good little festive, little nice for light occasions. The price is only and only 2999. Another piece, good colors, is another. This color is really in vogue at the moment. The price is 2650 and it's a simple, nice, classic, pure piece in Georgette. इस तरह का दुपट्टा 2650. Medium to 3XL. Again, we have a few sizes in this. With this is the kind of pants. Zari का work है इस पे. अब पूरा जरी वर्क आपकी स्लीव पे भी आएगा. प्राइस इज 2888 एंड द पीस इज पार एक्सीलेंस. अनदर वन प्योर कॉटन का पीस दिखा रही हूँ मैं. ए लाइन शॉर्ट अनारकली टाइप ऑफ पीस है. कम्स विद अ हैंड प्रिंट दुपट्टा लाइक दिस. प्राइस इज 2495 एंड इट्स अ शिफली. शिफले का पीस है. कॉटन पैंट्स है. मीडियम टू एक्सेल फॉर श्योर. नाउ दिस इज अ वाइट कलर, ऑफ वाइट रादर. और गैंजा का आपको स्लीव्स दिख रहा है. ये आपकी पैंट्स पे वर्क है. बहुत ही प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. ऑफ वाइट में जो भी ऑफ वाइट लवर्स हैं विद अ चीटा. प्राइस इज 2888. अनदर वन इज अ मसलिन प्रीमियम डायरीज. अगेन इसकी स्लीव्स पे काम है. पूरा कट दाने का काम है. ये आपका थ्रेड का विद अनदर दिस काइंड ऑफ दुपट्टा. प्राइस इज 2495 ओनली. एंड नाउ ब्यूटिफुल अनारकली 1 and 2. दोनों में पाकिस्तानी दुपट्टा इज अ कॉमन थिंग. Look at this. The prices for these are only 2250. 2250 के ये आपके गाउन्स हैं जॉर्जेट के, और उनके साथ हैं ये दुपट्टा. So showing you some more beautiful kaftan quads, and you can see that this is a very very nice piece. Grey and a steel grey. दो कलर्स आ रहे हैं, ग्रे एंड अ स्टील ग्रेश ब्लैक. सो यू कैन सी कि बहुत महीम एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. बहुत प्रिटी पीसेस है. 3200 ओनली. एंड देन वी हैव दिस वन. दिस वन इज प्राइस ऑन डिमांड गाइस. और इसमें आप कोई भी कलर बनवा सकते हैं. कलर और ये सारा काफ्तान कॉर्ड्स चल रहे हैं. ये आपका ब्राउन कलर में ये बहुत प्रिटी सा पर्ल वर्क आ रहा है. ये आपका 3200 का आ रहा है. देन वी हैव अनदर इंडो वेस्टर्न सीरीज. ये आपकी स्कर्ट आ रही है. स्कर्ट के ऊपर ये जैकेट और इस तरह का बस्टियर. पूरा बहुत अच्छा प्रिटी सा वर्क है. वी गिवन अ बैक टू पेप इट अप. द प्राइस इज 2499 only on sale. When I say sale, it's common for all guys, please note it. And then we have this kind of a garment. ये पूरा हाथ में काम है. That's the whole element about this divider set, with a good nice neckline out here. The price point of this one is only and only 2650. Another very nice piece. This will go till a size 48. It's a high-low pattern with a क्रेप जॉर्जेट. ये डबल जॉर्जेट है और नीचे हमने क्रेप दिया है. सो हल्का सा कलर डिफरेंस आ रहा है. प्लीज नोट करेंगे आप. 48 साइज तक आएगा. मीडियम टू 48 अवेलेबल. प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज ओनली 2600. अनदर वन is this. So this is also a very very classic piece. It's again a drapey piece with the trousers. This is not lace, it's an embroidered patch done like this. The price is 2650 only. Medium to XL till we have a margin. We have a margin, so double XL तक आएगा. पूरा हैंडवर्क के साथ डिवाइडर है ये. The price is 3100 on sale. Another piece on sale is a 3-piece set. So we have this skirt, we have this bustier, we have this very gorgeous color, minty beigeish sort of a color with this embroidery से आप hands निकाल सकते हो. Price is 2999 only on sale. And this one we have sold for 6500 also. Right now this is 3800 on sale. 3800 only with the jacket. Very elegant piece. Medium to double XL. Another divider piece. Do not miss it. This is again on sale at 2999. Another piece on sale is a 3-piece set. Rather a 4-piece set. ये आपकी जैकेट, बास्टियर, डिवाइडर के and a beautiful nice look. Medium to double XL. Price is 2399. Now this is a classic, very pretty classic piece with this kind of pants. Medium to 3XL is available. 38 से 46 available. 48 तक भी हमारा पीस आएगा. Price is 3650. Another Indo Western. ये आपका drape आ रहा है, all embroidered. This is the back. इस तरह से you can close it into a bow out here with this hangings. यहाँ पे ऐसे close हो जाएगा ये. Price is 2500. And now another piece. ये आपका गाउन आ गया ब्लू कलर में, नेवी ब्लू, डिसेंट सा पीस है ये. इस तरह से इसका दुपट्टा लुक आ रहा है. सो दिस इज द दुपट्टा लुक विच यू कैन कैरी इट एट द बैक. लुक एट द पीस. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 3200. And now another piece. So this is again a gown. Look at this gown. Medium to XL ही रहेगा, प्लीज नोट करें. इस पे लॉट ऑफ वर्क है इस तरह से. एंड वी हैव गिवन इट अ दुपट्टा टू पेप इट अप at only and only 2500 only. Some good nice winter quads and starting this edit. So the first one is a quad on sale, 3 piece का सेट है, किसी भी वेदर में डल सकता है. Bangalore, Mumbai, you can apply for this beautiful quad, medium to 3XL. The price is only 1888 on sale. And then we have a gorgeous piece. Look at this. इसमें आपका सारा जारदोजी वर्क के साथ आ रहा है, पिटा हुआ जारदोजी वर्क के साथ. Velvet का quad. The price is 2200 only. Look at this applique work here. Then we have another black with embroidery. ये सारे बनाए गए हैं, मार्केट्स में अवेलेबल नहीं है गाइस, प्लीज ये नोट कर लीजिए. ये आपका 2495 सेल पर है. देन वी हैव दिस ब्यूटीफुल गॉर्जियस पीस ड्रैगन फ्लाइज के साथ. ये वाला हमारा सिर्फ 42 तक आएगा, मीडियम टू 42 कैन अप्लाई. प्राइस इज 2200. डू नॉट मिस आर इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स. नाउ इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स बोला है तो इम्पोर्टेड कॉर्ड्स यहाँ हम सबको पता है ये एक्सपेंसिव है, हम सबको पता है ये क्लासी है. मीडियम टू XXL आई प्रॉमिस. 3XL कैन चेक विद अस. The price is 2650 on sale. Then we have this one, which is really classy. Look at this. 3 piece का सेट आ रहा है. ये भी आपका मीडियम टू 3XL आ जाता है स्ट्रेच में. The price is 2888 only. Then we have plain for plain lovers. The colors are the choicest of colors. The price is 2495 on sale. Another one. Medium to 3XL on sale, 2400. Then all the furs are sold out. We have this fur and we have done 4 rounds of it already, and I really wanted to show this. The price of the sale is 2400. And then I'm showing you इस तरह से टाइगर वाला. इसमें ये आपका फर वाला है, एक ये कॉलर वाला प्लेन लुक है, और एक आपका ये वाला लुक है. ये सब फ्री साइज आर्टिकल्स हैं. ड्रेसेस के ऊपर डाल लिए, ऑन लॉन्ग टॉप्स डाल लिए. ये भी 2400 के. देन वी हैव दीज आर गॉर्जियस पीसेस विद योर बूट्स, एंड द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दीज आर 2500 only on sale. And other pieces are beautiful stoles. Now these stoles are very pretty stoles. हम एक प्राइस पे आपको करके दे रहे हैं इनको, और वो प्राइस है 1095 only. So these are stoles. हमने सेफ्टी पिन लगाया हुआ है इसमें to show you that we are doing these, and we have given neck pieces कि आप किसी भी वे से इसको डाल सकते हो. So 1 2 3 4, इसमें नेक पीस नहीं है, डल जाएगा. 5 6. Look at the Brighty digitals also, the same for everybody. Look at this one. Then we have this, जिसमें neck pieces नहीं है guys, डल जाएंगे. Probably वो to put it on the chair and show it while the session is going on. It's a little tough sometimes. And then we have this. And now some more winter wear articles. So we have these with the hoodies. The price is only and only 1195. And the other day I was at Rishikesh, the same piece for 2500. And look at this one. 999. Then we have this 999. They're all with neck pieces. Shimmer look. 999. A beautiful, nice number. You can take out your sleeves here. 1095. Another one is this 999. And then we have these very cute pieces. Again, 1095 with a little fur. Fur is in, we all know. And do not miss these. The shimmer look. 1095. And these can be used, these can all be used over your saris, anything you require. And these ones are 750 only with the lace. A little shiny. Some very pretty Indo-Westerns, and these are very pretty gowns, and these are the latest launch of the day. And these are with flowers. पूरा कटदाने का work है, and you can see कि इस तरह से इस पे embroidery है. The prices are 3650 at the moment for the end of the year sale on fresh. और ये इसके colors हैं. So these are the color tones. These are very very pretty pieces, and they are available from medium to a 3XL. इस तरह से इसका flower आएगा middle में. So अभी के लिए ये 3650 है. Introductory price. And then we have these flower ones. ये भी दुपट्टे के साथ के concepts हैं. हर दुपट्टे पे थोड़ा थोड़ा nice work है. And then we have this one. This also we have colors you can demand. We haven't put them by chance on the hanger. These are again available till size 50. Then we have a beautiful gorgeous piece which we do always, and that is this. So इसमें भी आपके colors हैं, and this is a sari drape gown which is always with us 90% of the time. Medium से लेकर इस तरह से इसका साड़ी drape आ रहा है पीछे से. मीडियम से लेकर ये आपका 48-50 साइज तक रहेगा ही रहेगा. And now some gorgeous kaftans. So this particular one is somebody's order, but I wanted to show it to you. Otherwise it goes on a waiting. All handwork, a gorgeous piece. Look at this. It goes on a waiting. So this is our piece 1. Piece 2 is this with this work. Piece 3 is this one. So these are, once a particular piece is sold, it goes on a waiting. Please note, it goes on a waiting. So this is all ombre classic beautiful wares which are gorgeous and classic. Do not miss them. These are really pretty beautiful pieces out here. So these are world famous, and they are between 3500 to 3800. Ending this video with 3 cheers to the YouTube community. I would like to thank everybody from the YouTube fraternity and wish everybody a very happy new year 2025.